Whoa! Guess what, man?
Guess what, man?
We are live.
Are we live right now?
We are live for the
We
first
are.
time in 2017.
First time.
Yay! We are alive in 2017. Okay.
He's
so,
alive.
Yeah.
I'm alive.
Hey guys, so we are jamming right now, right? Hey
Yes, we are jamming. You can see all the instruments here. See, who was he?
Nadim's playing
Nadeem.
tabla. Venky!
What's going on? Happy New Year, guys. We're well into 2017. Hope you guys are having a good year.
We are alive in 2017. That's the most
Yeah.
important thing. Where's Mr. Puri? Mr.
I'm here.
Other Puri.
Other Puri is outside. You
Oh,
want to meet
yeah.
him? You want to say hi to him?
Okay, first we just see the whole place. This is where we are jamming right now. Whoa!
Oh, I think the bass was on.
And Venky's mic. Can you guys hear me on Venky's mic? Hey, put on that effect, Venky.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys. Hello! 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 This is Venky's effect. Okay.
You know what I do it with? Anybody knows that song?
Wait, I'll put it near the speaker. Now do it. See, so this is what we do at rehearsal.
Yeah.
Keep making funny noises.
मस्ती चल रही है इधर मेरे बिना मस्ती चल रही है इधर
How can you?
क्या करते हैं
So what are
लोग
these
यार
guys saying? Glad to see you guys.
Hey,
Thanks for logging on to our live chat.
you are welcome. Sanam is
Yeah.
back. Yay!
I'm in Delhi
Hey, Sameer joined. What's up, Sameer?
Hey, Samir!
Sameer
You missed all the fun, man.
oh Sameer hey
Samir, you joined a little too late, I think. No?
Yeah.
He missed
Yeah.
the. Hey, Sanam, you also do something funny on that. Come on. Sanam's
yeah.
turn. Here,
This
here,
one.
here, this one.
where's the mic
Your turn.
I'll repeat what I said when I came in
Who?
Bob.
Who is?
Bob Phil from Australia.
Hey, Bob Phil from Australia. Ben, come in.
Bob Phil.
Ben, you also have to do this, so come. First, you have to do this first. We're taking turns.
Yeah.
We're trying out some cool effects. Here, Sanam, your turn. Go for it, go for it. Come, Ben, jaldi. Please, please. Okay, Sanam, go for it.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हैं ज़ुबान पर
Ben, your turn.
भूले के सनम
Back to straight. Head is straight now.
Okay, cool. Samar, your turn.
Yeah.
My turn.
Yes, please.
What is this?
Sing a song.
Sing a song. Okay.
Which song?
he's a singer songwriter
कौन सा गाना गाऊं मैं कौन सा गाना गाऊं मैं कौन सा गाना कौन सा गाना कौन सा गाना गाऊं मैं कौन सा गाना गाऊं मैं कौन सा गाना गाऊं मैं कौन सा गाना कौन सा गाना कौन सा गाना गाऊं
Your turn. Come. Come. Take the mic to him. Yeah. Okay, Ben's hiding from us.
Okay. Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Yeah.
Come. My hand's hurting, so I'm passing it on. Here, Mr. Puri.
hello these guys started the video without me they didn't wait for me
Yeah, we don't
and
like you.
that's damn mean
are-
समझ तूने
yeah.
मेरी चप्पल पहनी अपनी चप्पल पहनी अपनी चप्पल पहनी मेरी चप्पल मेरे पास है
मैंने अपनी चप्पल
Okay, so we're in the parking lot.
Yeah.
These guys.
by the way say hi to Kirti and Rajan
Hello. Hello.
Keyboard and percussion. Let's go.
so guys you know what the video is for
New Year, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year
Happy New Year. We
Okay,
are
have
late,
a
but
wait. Wait, 1 second. One second. A joke. Okay. अगर मैंने अपना कान काट दिया और मैं नया कान ला तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Happy New Year. Oh, sorry.
Epic. Okay, guys, so we're also
Epic,
releasing a new
dude.
song. Come.
Epic dude.
तो आज हम कौन सा गाना रिलीज करने वाले हैं मालूम है?
मालूम नहीं है
क्या
मुझे.
आपको मालूम है?
Ism. Okay, I'll give them a hint. अरे मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है यार. क्या खाऊं?
आपको मूंगफली चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? Like, you want चना? Maybe चना?
हाँ यार.
सफेद और
चना कुलचा?
हाँ, चना चलेगा मेरे लिए. That's the clue.
What are they saying?
Okay, let's read some comments.
Hi pagal.
Hi,
Hey pagal.
Hey, pagal. कौन है पागल है ना वाले?
Hey pugly.
Bob Phil. Lol, I told.
Happy New Year, Happy New
New
Year.
song, guys. Yes,
Yeah.
it is a new song.
I'm waiting next month to see you in Mauritius.
Next month in Mauritius.
Next month in Mauritius.
Kazi
Hey Qazi.
Kazi Umid Jahan. Hey,
Hi.
from Bangladesh. And by the way, Mauritius next month. What is this?
Yeah.
Bhairavi Sharma. Well, I gotta go. Love and light to you guys. Good luck for the new single. Thank you.
Thank you so much. By the way,
कुछ भी खा लो.
birthday wishes.
I just have to just say thank you later.
Come,
Finish it.
come.
कुछ भी खा लो. I didn't miss this one. God, I'm so happy.
Okay, guys, Ben has something to say.
Pratichi.
Yeah, I just wanted to thank everybody for wishing me on the page for my birthday, and we couldn't get a chance to come on live then.
And we didn't get a chance to sing for you then, so
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
I'm getting older, but yeah,
Happy birthday, dear Ben. Happy birthday to you.
all right. So thank you everybody. Love you guys.
Yay.
Stay cool and stay listening.
And subscribe जरूर करना.
Kern. So what's going on? Can you please sing in a cappella?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
But check out the song name.
what song?
Which song?
Can you sing?
Sing Channa Mere in a cappella.
Oh, okay.
Channa
You wanna,
Meria.
okay, there's one new part.
What is that song?
You wanna sing
Channa
that
Meria.
part? Yeah.
You guys heard that song? What?
Mera.
कौन सा गाना है वो चन्ना मेरे? I haven't heard that.
Oh,
We don't even know what song it is. What is that song?
Channa Mere कौन सा गाना है?
सुना नहीं है? Come.
Okay, guys, मेरा हाथ थक रहा है. I'll use my other hand.
To the next puri. To the next S.
ये वाला हाथ थक गया है मेरा. मैं ये मेरा हाथ बोला, मैं नहीं बोला.
Bola, bola. क्या बोला रे?
होला होला क्या बोला?
क्या बोला रे? क्या बोला? Arash Khan is saying yes. Welcome Ben sir. Is the new Sanam single hashtag Channa Meria, guys?
Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe not. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. Let's see. What else? What else are they saying?
Yes. Paneer
Netherlands.
Terian.
Come to the Netherlands.
What is
yes.
Paneer Terian?
Like, it's like Channa Mere paneer तेरे. That's cool, huh?
Yeah. So Sanam's,
Nice, good,
Sanam's
good
liking that joke.
Paneer तेरे.
Yeah.
Paneer तेरे.
Aloo.
अरे change मत करो की.
Ah.
पनीर तेरे या पनीर तेरे या पनीर तेरे या छोले या.
Let's see what they're saying.
ओ घिया.
Miss you so much. Thanks for live chat. You're welcome. Channa Mere. Everyone's thinking the song is Channa Mere.
They're asking for Ikkudi ka cover.
We can sing it now.
Which one? Ekudi?
Ekuri.
I don't know. You have
One,
to sing.
2, 3, go. एक कुड़ी जिदाना मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है हो साद मुरादी सोनी पबत गुम है गुम है गुम है.
Yay! How come people ain't following you guys? Unfortunate day, missing to meet you all. It's life. It's life. What to do? These things happen. Yeah.
Belated birthday wishes. Oh, it's a
Nal-
birthday?
Nalita, happy,
Oh, happy
birthday.
birthday.
Belated wishes.
Belated, happy belated
Yeah.
birthday,
Yeah.
Nelita.
Yeah.
Nelita, right? Nelita.
Take off the hoodie, Sanam.
Take off the hoodie.
Can you take it off?
Okay, goody.
Done.
Sanam, can you take off the hoodie? Achha,
Hey,
same thing. I read the
goody.
same comment. Sorry.
Okay, 5 minutes left for the release.
Whoa. 5 more minutes. You showed the message or not? What
Oh,
is
you
his
wanna see the message?
message? Someone is showing you his private messages.
Can you get some private massages?
Masa. What? Okay, let's do something fun, guys. What do you want to do? Let's do something fun. What can we do that's fun? Guys, give us some suggestions. Damn my
Actually, what do you guys want us to do right now?
Yeah.
Punjabi song.
Punjabi song, Sanam.
Punjabi song?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. एक कुड़ी पंजाबी सॉन्ग ना
Yeah.
गर्मी दी तू छावा वर्गी गर्मी दी तू छावा वर्गी गर्मी दी तू जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी नासी चल जैसी नैनू दे गई सुकून गर्मी दी तू छावा वर्गी गर्मी दी तू
Thanks, Keshu, for wearing blue. Okay. Welcome.
Blue.
Jabra fans.
You won't thank me?
Hi,
I'm also
Jabra
wearing
fans.
blue.
I know.
It's a blue jacket and you won't thank me? How can you do that? I don't believe me.
What does
Hi,
Jabra mean,
Jabra
guys?
fans.
I don't know what it means. Can you girls explain?
Jabra is jaw, like Jabra.
Jaw.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Jabra,
Someone
Jabra,
is
Jabra,
Summer
Jabra.
is awfully silent.
Like
this
jaw
time.
fan.
Jaw
Okay.
fan.
You know, it's back.
He's gonna hold hold the phone now.
Want me to hold
Oh yeah.
this? Gonna say
Los Angeles. So, my most favorite song, love the lyrics, Sanam, Garmi Di Tu. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yay! Yes, Garmi Di Tu. We love the song.
आप अभी क्या चाहते हैं हम आपके लिए करें? आप
Read
जो
this
बोलेंगे हम
message,
करेंगे.
Keshu,
okay. They want
please.
more jokes.
Read this
jokes?
message, Keshu, please. It's a surprise. What? I can't see the message. Yeah.
Manya
King
Arora.
of selfies. Manya Arora. I don't understand, but I
Yeah,
saw
okay.
the message.
She's calling you king of selfies.
Oh, thank you.
Kesh King.
Thank you very much.
Selfie king.
What king of selfish?
Self king.
I'm a selfish king.
Yeah, he says.
Yes.
Selfish king.
Self kings.
चैन चुराया किसने?
Oh Sanam.
चुराया मेरा
Neend.
सनम तूने
what is this?
तूने ओ
Then we forgot.
Let's nacho. Yeah, nachos.
समर स्पीक
Happening.
हैशटैग समर स्पीक
No, आज तो एकदम चुप चाप.
अभी बोल के बोल रहा है मैं चुप हूँ. That means आज ये चुप नहीं होएगा.
Yeah.
आज बहुत कुछ बोलने वाला है.
भांगड़ा करो.
Bhangra.
भांगड़ा चलो भांगड़ा. Keshu will do भांगड़ा.
I don't even know, man, how to do Bhangra.
Done.
God, learn it.
Okay, we're doing way too many things for you guys.
Yeah.
Summer's face is missing.
Summer
Summer
is
is always fresh and
what
bright
is
as
what
the
is a
something.
summerism? Summer. Please explain.
What is
Summerism is this.
समरिज्म इज जो ये सिर्फ गर्मियों में जोक्स मारता है.
Cool. Okay, guys, so we're releasing a new song today in a few minutes.
2 minutes. I think 2 minutes maybe.
Maybe in another 2 minutes, maybe
Not.
not. Venky's face is getting cut, maybe not. So, yeah, this is our first Sanam single, Sanam rendition for the year 2017.
Sanam single, Sanam in a relationship, Sanam is complicated.
He is complicated.
I am
And we are
complicated, yes.
complicated.
I'm very complicated.
So this is our first Sanam in a relationship for 2017.
First, there's many more to come.
Many more. Anyway, cool. So, yeah, we hope you guys like it. It's a surprise. I don't think it is a surprise.
Not.
I think they
It's
already
not a surprise
know. They already
anymore.
broke the surprise.
Yeah.
Sanam,
Let's-
please
we're gonna
sing this
go
song Buleya because my girlfriend loved you more than me.
Bulia.
Monish,
Buleya?
Sazib
No, I
Khan.
don't think we can do
Shreya.
I
Buleya.
don't think we can do that song.
मुझे लगता है नहीं सारा हम बुलेया रिलीज करेंगे. Maybe I
Maybe-
don't know. Maybe live shows we might do.
Yeah, you can come for our live shows. I don't think we're gonna do Buleya.
मेरे को किससे पूछना पड़ेगा मैं उनका गाना कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. एक सेकंड अभी दिखाता हूँ किससे पूछता हूँ.
अरे उनको बुलेया.
एक सेकंड.
चलो मैं चना खाने जाता हूँ क्योंकि हम ऐसे कुछ गाना रिलीज करने वाले हैं.
रुको. चलो इससे पूछते हैं कि हम इनके ऊपर गाना कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. बुल.
बुलेया.
क्या हम आपके लिए गाना कर सकते हैं आपके बारे में?
No, he says yeah, right? Buleya.
Yeah, Bull says yeah.
या बुले या.
Yeah.
अगर नहीं होता बुले मुंह.
No.
Buleno.
Buleno.
Okay.
Buleno.
It's 6 already.
Okay, but
Okay.
listen, guys. A small message. We want you all to keep things clean. Let's keep everything. Okay, guys. small message.
सबसे पहले अपनी सफाई करो.
Yes.
अपने आप को झाड़ू पोछा मारो सबसे पहले. माइंड से, अंदर से, बाहर से, हर तरह. और अपने अराउंड जो भी आपको दिखता है, कुछ नीचे पैकेट गिरा हो उसको इग्नोर मत करो, उसको जाके कचरे में फेंको.
Yeah, if you see people littering and things like that, just don't feel shy to just go and pick it up and put it in a dustbin.
Yep.
Keep your surroundings clean, keep your home clean, and yeah. So I guess
and you need
that's
to do it every day.
Yeah.
Do it every day.
It's not just once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
It's for yourself first, then it helps everyone else around you, and it's good for the society, for the environment, everything. So take care of yourself, basically.
Yep. Let's start doing that from today, guys. Are you guys on?
Yeah. Why can't we hear you?
We can't hear you guys. Are you guys on?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Okay, so that's it. That's our message for you guys, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna start keeping everything clean. Sanam hasn't had a bath in like 2,000 years,
Yeah.
so he's gonna have a bath now.
Okay.
Okay, not happening.
There's a line. Motivation is like taking a bath. You need it every day.
Oh yeah,
You know? Smart
Yeah.
quote of the day.
nice.
Need motivation.
Hashtag
Be
Venki
motivated.
says.
Be motivated every day.
Hashtag Venki says.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay,
So,
as you wish. As we wish.
awesome. So we wish that. And yeah, so guys, we are done for today. We
Yep.
are going to release the song soon. We're going to release the song now, and all of us need to get back into rehearsals, right?
Yeah, we have to go back.
So see you guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bye.
Okay, good morning. Okay, bye. See you guys. Enjoy the
See you.
song.
Bye.
Enjoy the
Have
song, enjoy
fun.
the video, and
Like,
share
share,
with your friends and
and
family.
Subscribe जरूर करना.
signing out. Bye.